About diabetes. Can diabetes be prevented? Type 1 diabetes cannot be prevented, but type 2 diabetes risk can be reduced through a healthy lifestyle, including diet and exercise. What's the best diet for diabetes? A balanced diet with whole grains, lean proteins, veggies, and controlled carbohydrates is ideal. Consult a dietitian for personalized guidance. How often should I check my blood sugar? Follow your doctor's advice typically. Self-monitoring is recommended several times a day or as directed. Can I still exercise with diabetes? Yes, regular exercise is encouraged. Consult your doctor for safe activity recommendations tailored to your condition. What should I do during low blood sugar hypoglycemia? Consume fast-acting carbs like glucose tablets or juice, followed by a protein-carb snack. Learn to recognize and manage hypoglycemia. Dr. Raja Iftikhar Khan.